woke up this morning alive? Did you even say Alhamdulillah? Someone's mother didn't open her eyes today. Did you even say Alhamdulillah? There are people who never saw yesterday's sunset.
No way.
They left this world before the night was done. But here you are breathing, standing and living. Did you thank Allah for the morning sun? You complain you have no shoes, but there are people with no legs to walk. You complain nobody listens to you, but there are people with no voice to talk. You complain about the food on your plate, but there are children who slept hungry last night. You complain your life is too hard, but someone's fighting just to stay alive. How much has Allah shown you? How many blessings pass your eyes? Still you turn your back on Him, still you chase the dunya's lies. But He's calling you, come back. He's calling you, come back. No matter how far you ran, Allah is calling you back. You complain about being tired, but someone carried their sick body to work today. You complain about your small house, but someone has no roof. They slept in the rain. You complain about your sickness, but someone's lying in the cancer bed tonight, counting their last breaths, making their last dua, wishing they had used their health right.